In this video, I'm going to show you my real estate AI content system that turns one long form video into about 20 pieces of content. And this is exactly how I got over $10 million in real estate sales as a new agent here in Austin, Texas. If this is your first time here, my name is William Zhang. I'm a realtor here in Austin, Texas. I'm also the founder of Real Estate AI Society, an education community teaching top producing realtors how to use AI to grow their business and get more clients. I'm going to go over the content system. Here's the real bottleneck when as agents we're trying to create content. We are usually stuck at having an idea, or we'll make one video and then we'll post it once and then we have to start all over again. But with AI, with the help of Claude Code and a real estate content system, that bottleneck is removed. We now have ultimate leverage. And here's exactly how my AI content system works for my real estate business. I put my effort into creating a long form video. I'll either film it using my camera right here, or I'll create the content using my AI clone. From that one video, I'm going to turn to about 5 to 7 shorts. These are short form videos using my AI. These are for my Instagram reels, my TikTok videos, my Facebook videos, my YouTube shorts. I can turn that one long form videos with some key ideas and clips into 7 clips and 7 shorts. And then from that, I'll generate about 3 ideas and 3 concepts of carousel posts. And these will be posted on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And from that, I'll also convert this long form video into one newsletter and then send it out to my email list to stay engaged with people who have ever worked with me, who are once in my lead, so that I can keep top of mind and reminding them, hey, I'm creating content out there. I'm still a real estate agent. If you ever need me, here I am. I'll also turn that into a blog post that's SEO optimized so that I can start ranking for these niche keywords, things like luxury real estate agent here in Austin, Texas, new construction home, land and ranch real estate agent here in Austin, Texas. And then I'll post it on different platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. And this is all done using my real estate AI content system. And this is what I mean when I'm talking about using AI to create leverage in your business, because AI itself doesn't do much if you don't point it in the right direction. And one of the highest return on investment that I've discovered that helped me get most of my leads and most of my business is by creating content. And now I have a way to turn one content into many pieces of content, which before was basically impossible. Let's go over that a little bit to show you what that even looked like. And a lot of times when I start making videos, I will have a blank page. I will just say, oh, what video am I going to make today? Sometimes I feel inspired and then I'll turn that idea into reality. But most of the time, I don't know what I'm going to talk about. And that's why I have this YouTube producer skill. What it does is that my YouTube producer skill will go into my YouTube channel. You will understand my niche, and then you will go over all of the competitors in my niche and see what videos are performing well. And from there, it will give me some ideas on the topics that I should cover. And then you'll create a dashboard of what's already winning. And then I'll pick the video that I want to talk about and start creating a script from it. That means that I don't have to spend time creating videos that just doesn't work. I can focus on videos that already work, that people already want to watch. And here is an example where I asked my AI YouTube producer to create a video for my relocation channel here in Austin, Texas. And then it recommended to make on this topic. It says 5 new Texas laws every Austin homeowner needs to know in 2026. One could cost you. This is a really good title. And then it created a dashboard. It find the top performers in my niche. You will list these people out. Like I can recognize these people. Jeremy Knight, living in Austin, Texas, is Daphne. I know her. She's really, really good. Kumara, we have living in Austin with this guy. Brian, I think that's his name. Mason, that's fantastic video. And this is all done using my real estate AI operating system. And this is just one pillar of my real estate AI operating system, which is the content system. And if you want to learn how I built a system like this, where it helped me write scripts, help me create thumbnails like this, and how to turn one long form videos into 20 pieces of content so that I can start attracting clients instead of chasing them, then you should sign up for my free newsletter, Real Estate AI Society, using the link down below. And I'm also hosting a live cohort teaching you how to build your own real estate AI operating system on top of Claude Code, so you can start getting more business and creating more leverage in your business using AI. You can either enroll using the link down below or sign up for the wait list. So let's go over the dashboard real quick. You can see that I have all the competitors on my niche right here. And I can take a look at some of the videos that they created in the past few months, the 90 days, 6 months, 12 months, all time, to see which videos are their best performing videos. And my best recommendation for any real estate agents out there who are trying to make content that get leads is to model after what is already working in your niche, because you already know those videos will perform. So whenever you make a video, it's going to have the highest likelihood of chance of getting you clients. For example, this lady right here, Shannon Green, created a video that get 28,000 views, which is about 93 times her channel average. And this is their title with her thumbnail. So what my AI operating system does, now you will get the concept from this video, apply it using my voice, using my brand, the way I like to talk about and explain the concept, and then it's gonna write a script using my YouTube script writer skill right here. You can see it writes a script in proven formula that introduces the hook concept and calls to action, things like do this in the next 24 hours so that this video stays engaging. From here, I can decide either one, I'm gonna film it myself using my camera right here, or two, I'm gonna use my AI clone because I don't want to get in front of camera because I'm too busy. And here's the overall workflow from the idea to research to script. These 3 steps right here are done using my AI operating system. And then during the filming, I can either choose that I'm the one filming on camera myself or that I'm using my AI clone. And then finally, what happens after I finish recording the video, I'll send it to my team to edit, or if it's an AI clone video, I don't really need to edit that much because the AI clone doesn't really make a lot of mistakes. So the editing for that one, just adding some B-rolls, that's quite easy. And finally, it's gonna be packaging the video right here. So you can see that you'll create some thumbnails. You're using the key thumbnail concepts. So this is from my previous video that's not really related. This is about the biggest IPO. So let's do it together to show you what that thumbnail look like for this topic, which is 5 new Texas laws every Austin homeowner needs to know in 2026. So I'm gonna come back here to my AI operating system, and then I'll say generate 3 thumbnail concepts and load them to the dashboard. So now what's happening is that it's taking the understanding of the script, what the video is about, is taking an understanding of what my channel's previous thumbnails look like so that it creates a brand consistency. At the same time, it's going to borrow some ideas from the competitors of mine and say what made their videos work, including the title and the thumbnail. Combine it together, and it's going to generate 3 to 5 YouTube thumbnail concepts. It's going to help me get more views. As you can see, it's taking a look at the Shannon video, and then it's also taking a look at Adam's video. So if you take a look back here, Adam is a really smart YouTuber. He knows how to make video. He is borrowing exactly what Shannon made and then created his own concept. So now I'm going to use the same idea from these people, adding it using my voice, and going to adjust the angle and the topic that I want to talk about so that I know the video I make is going to work as well. Okay, so my content system just finished creating the YouTube thumbnails, and let's take a look at that together. It loaded up here to the dashboard, and let's take a look. 5 new laws, what you must know. 5 new laws, one costs you. 5 new Texas law, $140,000. File this or lose it. So this is how easy the content system is. Basically takes you through the pre-production, and then you decide whether you want to use your AI clone to film it or film it yourself, and then it's going to handle post-production for you as well. After this video is created, what I'm going to do next is that let's turn this into a carousel post. So what's going to happen is going to load my carousel post skill, which takes the content from this video, and then it's going to turn that into carousel posts that I can share to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. By the way, if you haven't started using LinkedIn to market your service and market your listings, now is a great time because I think this is one of the most underutilized platforms out there for real estate agents in order to generate leads. So what my carousel skill does is that it will take an understanding of the script, and then it's going to come up with the concept and have a call to action at the end. So now I'm going to approve the plan. It's going to generate the carousel post for me. And now let's take a look at the carousel post that you generated together. So I'm just going to load it up together right here live with you guys. Oh, this is a really good cover. 5 new Texas laws you need to know. This is what I like about my carousel skills, that it doesn't generate generic carousel skills. It actually uses some of my swipe files, which is just a collection of carousel posts that I like in terms of the cover, schema, styles, and then just generate text like this. You can make some modifications like vertical shift, things like that. Doesn't really look that bad. Come in Austin, eXp Realty, my contact information. I like this. This is a very decent carousel post. So now what the next step is that I'm just going to create 3 of these carousel posts and then schedule them to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So that basically takes care of that entire week of carousel posts. And then what I'm going to do next is going to use my newsletter skill and then write a newsletter on this video topic. And then later on, I'm also going to say write a blog post using this video because I have my own real estate website, I have my own newsletter. So what happens whenever I create a long form video, I have the maximum leverage that takes one idea that my AI YouTube producer came up with. It did the research and then it used the concepts, my tone, and my voice to write the script and then filmed it. I have yet to connect it to my AI clone automatically. I can actually start doing that if I really wanted to automate this entire process and create content on autopilot. But right now, I still mix it up between filming on camera and using my AI clone. Finally, the packaging was just to creating the thumbnail, title, SEO optimized blog post, newsletter, and the YouTube description. All of that is done using my AI as well. And all of it came from just one long form video. If you really want to become a top producing agent that attracts leads to you, that doesn't spend money on advertising, doesn't have to chase people down, and you still want to expand a new funnel, a new way of generating business, you need to get into video content marketing. And I think YouTube is the best platform for it. And now you can even do it using your AI clone, right? And before, the same effort of creating one piece of video, now I can get 20 pieces of content just from the same effort of creating one long form video. So moving forward, I can just focus on one thing, which is creating one or even two YouTube videos per week. Now I know a lot of people are going to ask, how do I edit the videos? I have done editing myself. I think editing is probably one of the first tasks that I recommend you outsourcing to hiring someone to help you handle the editing. If you don't make a lot of content out there, you don't really need to spend a lot of money on the freelancer. I think hiring an editor to help you edit videos is probably the smartest investment you can make. And the flywheel is basically create one long form content, convert it into 20 pieces of content, distribute it everywhere, and then you'll get audience and leads and then see what work, and then you use that to improve your next idea. I use my YouTube AI producer skill. You will learn about what worked, and then you'll make improvement on the script, title, thumbnail, topic, idea, and then you'll create better content the next time. Every loop gets easier. The system learns what wins. And this is exactly what I mean when I'm saying you need to start using AI and create more leverage in 2026 moving forward. If you want to get weekly update on my AI playbook, you should sign up for my free newsletter using link down below. If you want to learn more about how to use Claude and build your own real estate AI operating system and become an AI native agent, check out some previous videos right here.